Welcome back everybody to this new video to Express. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get a fantastic online clothing store with the Shopify Grow Plan. Offers a fantastic foundation. So I'm going to be showing you how to do this process. The very first thing to do is to understand the Shopify Growth Plan for the actual clothing. So the Shopify Grow Plan provides you with the core features you need to run a thriving online clothing business. You have the ability to list all limited products. You have the ability to check out and differentiate, of course, process payments, access valuable reports, understand some sales, customer behavior, and a solid stepping stone for scaling your clothing actual brand. So to set up your Shopify account, if you have a trial date, you can of course choose an actual plan right now into the administrator.shopify.com. Inside here, what you can do, or what you might need to do, of course, is to focus into picking your plan. Then choose the option that says growth and choose the option that says select the growth. Once you are in here, what you need to do, of course, is to making the payment, which is going to be costing you right now only $1 with a link down below in the description, and then it's going to be costing you a little bit more in August. Well, in this case, you have now this great offer. I'm going to be choosing to make the payment right now and choosing the actual subscription mode. When you have now done this process, you might be having now directly to all the access of the growth plan. Then it is time to design your actual storefront. So this visual appeal of your clothing store is crucial because Shopify offers a range of free and premium themes. You can browse the Shopify themes directly through online store. And here what I need to do is choose the option that says themes. Now to get started with an actual clothing store, you can choose to design your store in seconds or choose a popular free theme. So here, for example, it's a modern clothing store, and generate some few themes that can be helping you with your actual theme clothing. Now you can use them totally for free, or you can just request more properly free themes. For this process, I'm going to be using only the done version, because the done version actually looks really well. You don't have to focus a lot into all these elements, and it actually looks really well for even the mobile devices. So you can now go directly into your themes and go for the option that says customized. Into customization options, you have here your store details, where you can just start by changing the header. You can just check out the image banner. Here are your featured products and your huge footer. So with the core of your business, your clothing, let's add some products. The very first thing in order to do is to focus here. Let's go out. I'm going to hit now into exit and choose the option that says products. Here into products, you can add your own products by choosing the option that says add products. Then you can add a title, description, media, changing the own category, changing the actual price, the inventory, the shipping details, variant, and checking out the searching engine listing. To do this process and to make this process a little bit much more faster, I'm going to be choosing an actual application that can be helping me to generate this kind of process and to help me let's say create an actual clothing store in a very easy way. Now with Printify, I've now successfully added all the information that I just told you directly here into my products. What I just need to do is to go back into my products and try to reload the page to see if my product is now. Meanwhile, you can start by setting up some essential page, for example, the About Us section, the size chart, the shipping policy, returns and exchange, and the context ask section. You can focus here into settings. Directly here into settings, you can focus into the left section, and here into the left section, let's go for example, the option that says customer privacy. Into the customer privacy, you can just generate your own privacy policy, your cookie ban, and the data sales out to a page, which is automatically going to be added automatically. And lastly, focus here into products and go for collections. Into collections, you can go and focus with create your first collection. Let's say, for example, title, and let's go for merch. Here into the description, let's go for merch and choose the option that says manual. Now into browse, I can choose my product and go for save. Then inside this collection, I'm going to create a new collection. So this could be like a sub menu, sub collection, which in this case it should be t-shirt. And I choose manual, and I choose browse, and I add this product. And I can hit now into save, and there we go. With this element added, we can focus now into the product and choose the option that says preview into my online store. Make sure your store is easily to navigate. So allows your customer to quickly find the clothing categories you're looking for. A prominent and functional search bar is also essential for users to know exactly what they want. And of course, really important to set up some payment gateways. When you have your product already been set it up, you can now focus directly back here, focus for settings, choose the option that says payments, and try to change the currency, and try to add or change your custom payments, for example, the Shopify payments or even PayPal, in order to start earning money. Once you've done this process, you can optimize for mobile and visual appeal your website and marketing your clothing store. So we can leverage social media platforms like the Instagram, you can go for Pinterest, you can showcase your styles, you can build an email list to engage with your audience and promote new arrivals. And just like that, your website should be created now in no time. So building a successful clothing store in Shopify Grow Plan in 2025 is achievable with careful planning and execution. So what kind of clothing store are you dreaming of building? You can show ideas and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Express for more e-commerce tips and the Shopify tutorials. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and hopefully with us using Cedric, and I'll see you next time. See you soon.